At least 100 people were killed and 4,000 wounded in a massive explosion that shook Beirut on Tuesday, state-run media reported. Hundreds have been reported missing in the aftermath of the blast, raising fears that the death toll will rise, Lebanon's health minister said Wednesday. It's still unclear what exactly caused the explosion. A woman's face in the gloating above the sea, as captured. Lebanon's prime minister said an investigation would focus on an estimated 2,750 metric tons of the explosive ammonium nitrate, stored at a warehouse.